Here we go.
I'm Nancy, and I'm going to sing Caro Mio Ben.
Shale, like the rock. Mi, re, do, do, not the world's longest slow thing there because we just don't have the time for it. This song needs to be a little faster. You're dragging it, but you also came in early. Yeah, you came in a fourth of a beat or something early, and you need to really let his note ring before you come in on the song. My experience of you for this song was that you were much more open the first time through the Caro Mio Ben than you were the second. So that tells you that some things started helping you all the way through, and you need to go, no, don't. So, and I think it's because you were concentrating on the words instead. And next. Il tuo fedele, la 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 la. That's three. He huffed, and then he puffed, and then he blew the house down. You went big, but they didn't go anywhere. So therefore, by the time you got to the high note, you didn't have the momentum to get you. So come do it. I don't care if the words are la la la. Il tuo fedele, ready, yeah. Il tuo fedele, take a breath in between each one of them. Ready, again. Il tuo fedele, deep breath. Big space. And you're still tight on the high note. Why is that? Because your brain is saying, this is a high note, I hope I get it. So go, la, 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 la. You get that from the beginning. Il tuo fedele. Il tuo fedele. La, 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 la. It wasn't as loose, but it was more open, but the middle one was tight still. So that's what you have to do is build upon each one to make sure you're going this, and then that, not this, and then this, and then, oh my God, that. Okay, thank you. Kelsey?